Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you all the logical operators in Java. First of all, let's make a Java class. You go to src, go to new and select Java class. And let's give a name for our Java class as logical operators. And here let's give our main method psvm and press tab. Let's check out the first logical operator in Java. First of all, I'll declare some values. Int t equals 3, int r equals 5, int a equals 7, and in a sout let's use our first logical operator and. You type sout, press tab and check if t is lesser than r and a is greater than t. What do you think will be the output? Let's print it out. We got true for the answer. Why did we get true? The and operator checks if two expressions are true. If one is not true and the other is true, we get false. If only they are both true, we get true as the answer when we use the and operator. Check another example using the and operator. First of all, let's remove all this code. For this example, I will be using string values. String m equals cricket and string n equals football. Let's use the and operator in another example and check the output. Sout tab m dot length greater than 4 and n dot length lesser than 2. What do you think will be the output? Let's check it out. Okay, we got false. We got false because the and operator didn't get both the expressions true. If even one expression is right, we won't get true. If only both are right, we get true. So we got false as the answer for this example. Now let's move on to the other logical operators in Java. First of all, let's remove all this code. And in here, let's use a string and an int variables. String b equals Lambo and int g equals 456. And in sout, let's use our other logical operator, the second logical operator in Java. We'll put a sout and check if g greater than 45 or b dot length lesser than 4. Now let's check out our answer in the console. We run our application and we got true. Why do you think we got true? I'll explain in the next step. Unlike in the AND operator, in the OR operator, if one expression is true and the other is false, we get our answer as true. Both the expressions don't need to be true. Even if one is true, we get true for the answer. So in here, one of these expressions must have been true. Either g is greater than 45 or b dot length is lesser than 4. So we got our answer true because one of these expressions is true. Apparently, both these expressions are true. That's why we got true as the output for this code example. Okay, let's make both of these examples false and see our output. For that, we make g lesser than 45 and b dot length greater than 2 for 34. And let's check our output in the console. Okay, we got false. It's obvious, right? We must get false because both these are false expressions. So if both are false, we get false, and if one is true, we get true, and if both are true, we get true as the answer when we use the OR operator. So in Java, there are 3 logical operators. Let's move on to the next logical operator in Java. First of all, let's remove all this code. And in here, let's use another example to learn our last logical operator in Java. For this example, let's use a simple Boolean expression. We type Boolean b equals false, and let's assert our answer with the Boolean b and the logical operator. We check if not b, and let's check our answer in the console. Okay, we got true. Why did we get true? This happened because in this logical example, the not operator, if one value is right, it returns its reverse value. So even though b is false, it checked if b is true. That's why we got false true as the answer for this expression. Now let's check what we get if b is true. Let's make b true and run our output. As you can see, we got false. We got the reversed logic for our example. When b is true, not b is false. That's why we got false as the output for this example. Now we have learned the 3 logical operators in Java. I welcome you all to check these out and practice them very well, and to learn them by heart when coding with Java. So we got our answers and we learned a new lesson. So I hope to see you all in another video. Until then, goodbye everyone.